Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to Happy Doctor Foundation. In our last video, I had told you about TLC for doctors. Today we will discuss about doctor-patient communication and what should be the expected outcome of doctor-patient communication. We are going to discuss it today. As a doctor, you must have seen patients in your consulting room or in hospital rounds or in ward rounds or in operation theatre, pre-operatively, post-operatively. So doctor and patient undergoes consultations. Whenever doctor consults the patient, the outcome is judged by two factors: whether patient is happy or doctor is happy. Doctor is happy means whether doctor is really satisfied with the consultation, or patient is happy. Patient is happy means whether the patient is satisfied with consultation. So when we take this parameter of doctor, patient and satisfaction, we get different permutation and combinations. So the first combination is your patient is happy and doctor is not happy. So in this first combination of patient is satisfied with consultation and doctor is not satisfied with consultation, the peculiar thing happen over here is that doctor thinks that he could have done much more better to the patient, but the patient is happy with the doctor, no problem. Second outcome of the consultation is whenever the doctor is happy but the patient is unhappy. Now in this scenario, the doctor is very much satisfied with the consultation, with the treatment what he is giving, but the patient is unhappy. The patient is not satisfied with whatever doctor has done. So in this scenario, friends, we have to find out where exactly things have gone wrong and what could have been done to avoid this situation. Outcome of doctor-patient consultation: the doctor is happy and the patient is also happy. Means what? Doctor is satisfied with the consultation, doctor is satisfied with the treatment, and the patient is also satisfied with the consultation, patient is also happy with the treatment. This is the best outcome and our aim should be this. But sometimes what happens, the fourth outcome shows its presence. Now fourth outcome is what? The patient is unhappy, patient is not satisfied, and doctor is also not satisfied. So here the doctor is not satisfied with his consultation and the treatment results, the outcome, and patient is also unhappy with the outcome. This is a very disastrous situation and this fourth outcome should be avoided at any cost. Dear doctors, there are various other permutations and combinations which Happy Doctor Foundation has detected and we have outlined the pattern. So the total there are more than 16 outcomes of doctor and patient communication. So if you want to know more about doctor-patient communication, doctor-patient relationship, then do join Happy Doctor Foundation. How do you join Happy Doctor Foundation? Just WhatsApp your name, your address and your contact number on this number and you can take benefit of all the activities of Happy Doctor Foundation. Thank you. See you in next video.